Here I've got ZTE Axon 10 Pro and I'm going to show you the top tricks of its camera. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And now let's take a look at all of these settings around. We start with this button here with the HDR. So HDR helps to improve the brightest and darkest areas of taking picture. I think this is useful and really helps to make our picture more beautiful. So here we can turn it off, turn it on every time we take a picture, and also turn on auto HDR so it recognizes when it's needed. The next one here is the flash, so here we can turn off flash, turn on flash every time we take a picture, turn on auto flash, and also turn on the fill light. With this slider we can also manage the intensity of the light, so I think this is also very useful here. I'm going to turn it off now. And now we go to this, here we can get access to live photo by just one tap, like that. I'm going to show you how it works, and I'm going to take a picture now. And now we go to the preview here, and as you can see it takes a picture, but also it generates as a short clip, and this is called live photo in motion. And we go back to the main camera. The next one here is the beauty mode, so here we can make us on the photo or our subject more beautiful in a smart version and also in a personal version. So here we get access to this slider and can use it to make our photo more beautiful, like that. And here we go to this button on the right corner. Here we get access to the filters, so here also we can make our picture more beautiful before we take it. And this is how it works. And now let's take a look at these settings here. So here we can change the mattering, as you can see, white mattering, center weighted mattering, and also spot mattering. And by tapping this a little bit longer we get access to more advanced zoom and this slider, and this is how it works. And also we can use zoom by just 2 fingers, like that, as you can see. And the next thing I want to show is when we tap on the screen, we're focusing better, but also we get access to this slider and exposure compensation, so here we can make our picture more bright or more dark as we need. And now let's take a look at this settings bar here. So here we can easily change the mode of our picture. As you can see, bokeh, night, portrait, photo, video, white, and more. So here we get access to more modes, more advanced, and it gives a lot of possibilities to making experiments. I'm going back to the original photo mode, and now let's take a look at this settings bar here. And these settings, they are more advanced also. Here we can easily change the resolution of our picture. As you can see, this is how it works. I'm going to show you this. And as you can see here, we have the full resolution of our screen. The next one here is camera timer. So here we can change the delay of taking pictures. You can see 1, 3, 10 or 20 seconds, which is very long, and it's not usual in phone cameras, so this is special here. I'm going to pick 1 second to show you how it works, and I'm going to take a picture. As you can see, the picture was taken with 1 second delay. And we go back to these settings. I'm going to turn it off. The next one here is the watermark, so here you can turn on the watermarks also. I'm going to show you how it works by taking a picture. And as you can see here, we have the camera and the date. And now we go to the composition, so here we have tools to make our photo better compose with the grid lines. And as you can see, it shows us these grid lines, and this is helpful when we want to use, for example, the rule of thirds in photography. And also we can turn on the golden spiral. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and also this is helpful. in our composition. The next one here is the gradient, called also as a leveler, so it gives us this kind of line and help to make our photo and subject straight, and this is how it works, as you can see. And we go down to the geotagging, so here we can turn on the location of our photo. And important thing is, to make it work we have to be connected with the internet and with the location tags, and so it saves the location of our picture. And now we go to down. After turn it on all of these settings, we may want to go back to the original settings and restore them easily by just one click. As you can see, this is how it works. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.